Hey guys, this is Mrs. Shrim. I just wanted to hop on and do a quick video. So today, 20 minutes in Lexia, just like we always do. We are also going to finish that Romeo and Juliet web quest. We started this Monday. We're going to make sure it gets finished today. Just a quick reminder of what it looks like. Okay, so while that loads, I'll go ahead and talk. Where there was different sections, and then you had a link you clicked on to go find that information and answer the questions. We do need to complete the whole thing, so all the way down to the table on the last page where it has different characters from the play and giving a summary over who each of those was. After we finish that, and we will do that probably about 10 minutes after Lexia, and then we will be doing these prologue questions. Prologue is the very beginning of the play before we get into the acts and where the characters come. Prologue is if you were sitting and watching a play, somebody who comes on stage before the play starts and gives reads a script about what's going to happen. So it's kind of like an introduction. So we are going to answer a few questions about the prologue. And then if time allows, we will also start Act 1 questions and study guide. We may not have enough time to get there, and that's okay. Our goal for today is to get through the web quest and the prologue questions, and if we can start on Act 1, we will. All right, and then there's the Zoom links, and I will see you guys in class.